We'll guide you through how to connect your Wix domain in this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the Domains tab on the left-hand side menu. Here, you will see an option to Connect a Domain. Click on that, and then you can either choose a domain you already own or buy a new one through Wix. Let's say you already own a domain. Select Connect a Domain you already own. Enter your domain name and click Let's Go. Now, Wix will guide you through the connection process by providing you with the necessary DNS records. You need to log into your domain registrar's website, which is where you originally purchased your domain, and update the DNS settings there. If you're unsure where to find these, look for something like DNS settings or domain management. You will need to add the Wix name servers and any other records they provide to you. It might look like a bunch of numbers and letters, but don't worry, Wix provides clear instructions. After you've updated the DNS settings, return to Wix and click Verify Connection. This process can take up to 48 hours, so don't worry if it's not immediate. Meanwhile, in the Wix dashboard, you can go back to Domains and check the connection status. Once it says connected, your domain is successfully linked to your Wix site. You can now continue building your site, or publish it if you're ready. Remember, if any steps seem confusing, Wix's support articles are a great resource, and they have a responsive support team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.